Hi everybody, welcome to my Analyze and Adjust assessment of my social media presence this month on my class of new media formats. This month I've been trying to gain an audience through three social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, about my presence as a sports journalist. I've been trying to gain an audience, gain followers, and try to mostly build a presence in each of these three social media. I'm gonna analyze a little bit how I've been doing with analytics of each social media and what I've been doing good and what I've been doing wrong this past month. So let's start with the one that I haven't been taking much seriously, which is Facebook at first. I have been struggling to connect to link each of the accounts, so I have been paying more attention to Twitter and Instagram than Facebook, and that's why, as you can see around here, I only have 23 likes, which is not too much. I've only been posting other, this is my blog, I've been posting some things that I've linked from Facebook, from Instagram, I'm sorry, or Twitter, but that I haven't really done specifically for Facebook. So let's check on the insights. As you can see, not much of attention. 4 page likes this week. Post engagement is not too much. As I said, Facebook is a tool. I know it's a social media that can be very powerful if used right, but as of this month, I've been paying more attention to the others, and I think I'll keep on paying more attention to the others since I have been having more success on those so far. All right, moving on to Twitter. Twitter is the only one that I maintained my old account because mostly of my followers. I've only gained actually like 10 followers this past month. But what I have been doing is getting a lot of impression and a lot of traction on my tweets because now I'm tweeting every day and more, around 3 times every day, more constantly than I used to. If you can scroll around here, I usually post tweets in English and in Spanish, also linked from my Instagram account, mostly about the NFL, but I try to also cover soccer and baseball and basketball, you can see, and mostly keep it very professional and very focused on sports journalism and in the sports that I'm concentrating this month into, which is the NFL, soccer, basketball, and baseball. Those four are the ones that I'm focusing on. And if we go to the analytics, as you can see, it's a clear change from when I started this month, which was around here. I've been having a lot of more traction than I used to, a lot of more impression, interaction, as you can see here. And these are all tweets, recent tweets about about sports, about since I started using this account uh, as a sport journalist professional account. All right, so I'm gonna keep using Twitter. I know it can be very helpful, mostly in this career. I think it's the one that is most powerful for sport journalists because you can keep updates constantly, short messages, and obviously you can also share videos and photos. But the messages are the people also want to read. It's very important to read nowadays, also. So it's important to keep informating, keep the people informed, and keep updating, mostly with not not only with updates about how a match went and everything, but mostly opinions because that's what you don't get from somewhere else usually. So last but not least, let's go with the one that I've been having most success as of this past month, which is kind of surprising. Um, which is Instagram. I'm gonna link you to my phone. As you can see, I'm sorry. As you can see, my Instagram account is very professional. I kept, as you can see, the same photo for all three of the accounts. I kept it with the same bio, the same professional look. And Instagram, I tried to post images that were relevant to my career and to what I'm doing. Here's a photo on the radio that had a lot of track. That one has been the most successful so far. But also you can see NFL, tennis, soccer, a lot of photos about several different sports. This one was for my blog. So if we can check the analytics, this one I started from scratch. Oh, this one I started from scratch and I already have 84 followers. I've been going up and down with my followers recently, and I've only got 29 posts in comparison to the only 10 and the only 23, around 23 that I had on the other accounts. This one has by far been the most successful one. And as you can see, all right, the analytics don't work. But what I've been doing is use a lot of hashtags. You use a lot of try to use a lot of sports. As you can see, soccer, NFL, basketball, baseball, even tennis. I've been trying to post different types of media, photos that are royalty free, but that are also updated, that are relevant to that same day, and that way I can keep informed and by sharing meaningful images. Alright, so the insights are not working. I'm just gonna give up on those. But as you can see here, nope. Alright, so never mind. The thing is, Instagram has been the most successful one. I'll definitely keep using it, and keep using a lot of hashtags. Keep trying to get myself into several sports, and definitely it was a surprise for me because I didn't expect that. I expected Twitter or Facebook to be more successful than Instagram, but I definitely keep on using Instagram a little bit more. Alright, so that was my assessment. Thank you very much for sharing these few minutes with me.